Hello, you're listening to Karen from DataWise. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the GST linked account. This is particularly for forecasting. I just want to show you in the forecasting area of the application by clicking on this button here. Then when you go to the setup section on this button and look at the linked accounts, there is only one space for GST, and as we know, most companies have more than one GST account. In fact, more often than not they have several. If we have a look here by just backspacing the account out and then click on enter, you'll get your list of chart of accounts from your MYOB for this particular company. You go down the list to have a look at all the various different GST accounts, and you'll see this company has at least 4 or 5. So we've got collected, output, tax adjustments, paid, input tax adjustments, input, that's a duty one, and then you've got the GST payments and refunds. So how are we going to put all these into one account? I'm going to show you how you do this. We'll just click on the one above, because this is the account we're going to consolidate all the other GST accounts into, the 21360. You can choose a different number or a different account name if you wish. Now to do that, we're going to close out of the setup section and we're going to go into the actuals update section. There's a little script here that is called MYOB1 here on the right. And we're going to show you where you make this adjustment. You click on there, then click on edit rule. You'll notice at the top there's a number here called rule number and MYOB. This is the rule here that we're going to change. We click on the edit button, and here is where you find the script for the adjustment of consolidating all the GST accounts. Now in some cases you won't have to change anything, but in others you will. So the idea is to write down the various different GST accounts that you want to consolidate, then come along into the script where it says consolidations all the GST accounts. Replace all for in list account numbers, and there are the account numbers. So to change the account numbers, if you've got different account numbers, you just basically type straight over the account numbers, replace them with your account numbers. It's very important that you make sure that all the commas and various different brackets remain in the script, otherwise it won't run correctly. Then right at the very end of those accounts in the brackets, it says account with, or account number with, 2-1360. So all those 4 in the brackets are going to be consolidated into that one account there. So that is the account number you put in the linked accounts back in the setup. So we'll just close this now. Apply rule. Yes, note that it's not something that can be reversed, so you have to make sure you've got your correct account numbers. It's finished processing. So you close this window at the top, then close out of this actuals update section. Go back to your setup. Use the linked accounts tab at the top there, and the GST input and output account, you make sure that the correct account number is entered in here. Either manually type it in if you know it off by heart, or like before, you can just backspace and then press on enter. Go down your list. You can use your keys on your keyboard, your arrow keys on your keyboard, to find the correct number. It's that one there, GST payments and refunds. Select account and you're all done.